So officially it's day 3 in Coorg, and today we'll be exploring the Golden Temple, and I think so there are many more spots. There's a elephant camp which we would be exploring, so chalo without time waste kiye जाते हैं वहाँ.
Namdroling Monastery, popularly known as the Golden Temple, is one of the largest Tibetan settlements in India. It is about 5 kilometers from Kushalnagara in Kodagu district and is a home to about 16,000 refugees and 600 monks. Here, the main entrance is an attractive 4-story tower with a wheel portraying symbols of Buddhism. The main attraction inside the temple are the statues of Lord Buddha in the center, with statues of Lord Amitayus and Lord Padmasambhava on either sides. And it is a very beautiful place to encounter. The timings to visit this place is from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and this is a must place to visit.
I've come to Kaveri Nisarga. So it is basically, I think so, a garden with some activities like boating and all. So let's explore this. Now I'm on the hanging bridge, and Coorg is all about nature, so let's explore the nature together. Boating is currently closed today, but we have other activities like the deep park. There's a river, there is cottages to stay, so it's very beautiful, but it's a bit pricey. It's like 60 rupees per person.
It is pricey in the sense that apart from the entry fees, you will have to bear the additional expenses for the activities that you prefer doing. And if you are not into any of it, you can just go there, chillax, cherish the nature, or you could click your amazing pictures or capture your precious moments through a reel. And it was really peaceful. Apart from this, there was a market just bang opposite the entry of this garden, where you could try different kinds of cuisines as well as buy small items.
Come to Dumbare Elephant Camp, and the timings over here are 9 to 11 a.m. where you can experience bathing of the elephants, and the next time slot is around 4:30 to 5:30. It is always recommended to come a bit early from the entry timings, and the entry fee is like 50 for the boat ride and 100 rupees is the entry fee, so it's basically 150 rupees per person. And it is a very nice thing to encounter, so this is a must place to visit, and it's like really beautiful to see elephants doing different activities. You can feed them too, so yes.
This was one of the bonus spots in our itinerary, and it was the hanging bridge which had Kaveri river on both the sides, so where you could click your aesthetic pictures. Apart from this, you won't believe two wheelers इस पे चल रही थी, तो वो एक अलग ही मज़ा था उसका भी.
So this was it for the Coorg tour, and I'll be heading back tomorrow to Mumbai. So I'll capture my journey from Bangalore to Mumbai too. But this was end of our beautiful trip, and it taught me a lot. And I'll try to make a video on the lessons that I've learned while traveling solo. So yes, see you tomorrow.